You just have to go through some things in order to see your visions come to life. But every time you embrace delayed gratification, your endurance goes up a couple of notches, and your end result that you're seeking grows more and more valuable as you continue to allow that to happen. So let's be realistic about this process. What's up, y'all? I'm Courtney, the tech queen of PC Media Techs, where we specialize in promotional design. I spend a lot of my time designing websites, content, and efficient workflows for brands who are ready to enter into or have already entered into their high growth phase. So realistically, if your vision came from God, He may need to improve some things in your life or around you. Your process isn't like others, and neither is your destiny. So don't view roadblocks and traffic jams as delays. We actually view them as opportunities, okay? So just continue to remind yourself that no matter where you are in life, there is someone who would gladly give anything to trade places with you. I went to go see the movie Creed a couple of weeks ago, Creed 3. So I don't want to spoil the movie if you haven't seen it, but it was a certain part in the movie where Michael B. Jordan, it was a certain part in the movie where it looked like it was a total knockout situation. But we saw, if you saw the movie, you could clearly see where his endurance kicked in, and you can feel it. And once he did that, it was over with. So I said that to say, my true boos, y'all know we don't succumb to what looks like defeat. We don't succumb to anxiety, depression. We may feel it, but we don't allow it to take us out. Instead, we see those things as opportunities to bump up our endurance a couple of notches so we can continue to evolve as the unstoppable force that we are. Where my true boos at? And in case you don't know what a true boo is, basically true boos are anybody that's out here making decisions to turn unfortunate circumstances into positive outcomes, no matter the battles you have to face. So always remember, stay true to yourself, and until next time, embrace, endure, and evolve.
Find it extremely difficult to make it simple. Try and convey it the way they comprehend it. It's probably gonna take me a whole life sentence, since I find it extremely difficult to make it simple.
My brain is in demand. My brain is in demand. My brain is in demand. Professional creation.
Find it extremely difficult to make it simple.
Wasn't running out of time. Diligently I strive to present what's on my mind.
And one thing that I know is they probably won't get me, but I'll try and convey it the way they comprehend it. It's probably gonna take me a whole life sentence, since I find it extremely difficult to make it simple.
it.